What's up, y'all? Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. Why he changes Mustang for an Audi boring grandpa car. This is why. What I'm doing today is installing the black optics grille.
You can see the bolt is finally coming out right there.
Passenger side bolt. Oh, it's kicking my ass. Okay guys, so that's the end. This is how it looks. By removing these, you will allow your car to actually vent that excess boost into the atmosphere. My plan is to actually remove this fog light grille, cut a hole here, route that tube up into the engine bay.
So we'll just go ahead and start by popping this off. It's as easy as just pulling out.
That's what she said.
Alright guys, well here is the final result. I don't know how well you can see. It's kind of smooth, I'd say. Kind of like the asymmetricalness.
What I ended up doing was buying some ECS Tuning Stage 1 mooring links. Look at those Valvetronic mufflers, boy. I can just get to the link. Okay, I need 2 hands for this.
Yeah, that looks pretty good. Pretty good.
Alright guys, so we officially just got some boost weather in. It's dark outside, but we're gonna go ahead and try to get some runs. Black mirror caps on the C7. Finally got this off. It was so annoying. Alright guys, so 1 hour later we were able to place one mirror cap. It looks a lot cleaner all black. Let's go ahead and knock this one out. I was not able to get it on at all. Yeah, first mod of 2025 is already a fail. So what I have in this box is actually very special and very cool. S8 turbos. Here is the turbo in all of its beauty. I have just about every gasket that you could need for this. Stage 3. Alright guys, we just picked up some Little Caesars. We're gonna go quick little test hit right now. Whoa! That is a huge difference. So today we're going to be getting in a run with him. We've been going back and forth a lot. Honestly guys, these are not the results I was hoping for. Super, I'm not too worried about it. Sounds like the car's not getting enough fuel. So the car is still here in all of its non-working condition. I still have a coolant leak. I opened the hood and I was scanning the engine bay. This sensor here, take a look at that. Do you see how far off that was backed? I found a used zip tie off the floor in my garage. It shouldn't back off. Nothing weird or different. The car's not misfiring, so that's good. In 3, 2, 1. Whoa, guys, no misfire. Based on the last video, the car is running fine. I did race a Toyota Supra that I raced in a previous video. This is the results of that race here. So I'm always getting questions on what my exhaust setup is. Hit from the front. My parking sensor is in place perfectly here. The one's missing here. Fitment from the back now. We do need to clean these headlights. Post wrap. Alright guys, and just like that, we have successfully completed the second headlight. There's a very loud hissing sound coming from the car. I'm pretty sure that's the PCV. Here is the brand new heat exchanger for the S6. Pretty cool with the bumper off, just with the headlights in. So we are going to be driving approximately 3 hours to pick up some brand new wheels for the S6. Alright guys, we just picked up brand new wheels for my car. They're in the back seat. Yeah, we'll head on the way home and then throw these wheels on in the next couple clips. These look killer. I'm so happy with these wheels. Alright guys, well there it is, back where we all started. This is where the very first video I ever made was, but I really hope you enjoyed this video. It was really fun to look back at all the clips and kind of see how the car has progressed from having this completely stock to how it is now. Obviously, it's nothing crazy, not like a show car, but it's OEM plus, it's fast, and it looks like how I want it to look. The car has actually gone through quite a bit of modifications that I don't really realize everything I've done to it until like I look at the videos. But we also just hit 1,000 subscribers, so super thankful to all you guys for that. Regardless, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time.